Assalamu alaikum. Your Highness, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it's my great honor to standing here to share some of our greatest achievement and idea. Are you ready to be part of something big? Something we bring together the brightest mind from Saudi Arabia and China to inspire innovation and entrepreneur? If so, I have great news to you. Introducing the Saudi Arabia-China Entrepreneur Association, a private and non-profit organization that is making waves into the business world. Our members are business leaders, investors, public officers, NGO leaders, and academy personnel who are dedicated to strengthen the economic relationship between two greatest countries. We offer a wealth of resources to our members, including information, advice, and programs. And by bringing our members together, we cultivate a collective voice that inspires innovation and entrepreneurship across the region. Our vision is bold and exciting: to foster dialogues and understanding between Saudi Arabia and China leaders, promote technology and trade exchange, and inspire innovation and public welfare in both regions. We've already talked about BEAM, talked about Hector, talked about Alibaba Cloud. Those are outcomes that China and Saudi has been working very closely in the last many years. And the best part, some of the top companies in the world already joined this association, including STC, Alibaba Cloud, Aramco, Tencent, Huawei, China Mobile, and China Telecom, and many, many more. And today, we are welcoming more of you guys, more of the greatest company that would love to make the contribution to Saudi, to the cooperation between Saudi Arabia and China, to join us. And now, thank you very much. We would like to spend more time together, dealing leap, to have a more conversation with you. Thank you so much.
Please welcome on stage Mohammed Abakke.
Thank you, Jessica. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Your Highnesses, Your Excellencies, esteemed guests, a great morning. I am honored here today to talk about why STC has chosen to join the Saudi Arabia-China Entrepreneur Association. At STC, and with a startup mindset, we believe in the power of collaboration and partnerships to drive growth and innovation. By joining the association, we are able to tap into the collective knowledge, resources, and networks of some of the brightest minds in the business world, both from Saudi Arabia and China. We are confident that our membership in the association will bring new opportunities to STC and its growth, to grow, to learn, and contribute to the economic development of both nations. Through our membership, we aspire to foster strong business relations with our fellow members, participate in the important discussion and initiatives, and assuring that we think ahead to stay ahead in the rapid evolving business landscape. We are thrilled to be part of this dynamic community of leaders and innovators, and we look forward to the exciting opportunities and growth that our membership in Saudi Arabia and China Entrepreneurship Association will bring to STC. Thank you.